Hey everyone, my name is Anita Baluch and I'm 19 years old. I'm currently a sophomore here at the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. I'm originally from Nashville, Tennessee, but I go to school 2 hours away from home. I stay in the dorms on my college campus. I was born and raised on a farm, so we have all the animals you could possibly think of: horses, cows, chickens, goats, sheep, and I have four dogs, and I have one of them here with me right now. Her name is Mocha. She's a Maltipoo. She's registered as an ESA, emotional support animal, and she helps me a lot mentally being here because being in college, it's really easy to lock yourself up in your room and study for hours or days at a time and just kind of be really unhealthy about it. But just having something as simple as getting up to take her out has helped me a lot. And I actually have pictures of my other dogs here. I have, so this is Zuzu. She's a Shih Tzu. She's 1 year old. And then I have Yogi, which he is a pit bull mix, and we actually saved him from dog fights when I was 10. He will attack you if he doesn't know you. He's not aggressive towards us at all, but that's just the way he was raised, and like the dog fights and everything it kind of made him that way. Have like a pack mentality with my family. If anybody comes near us, like he goes crazy. And then I also have my dog here, Clover. She is a German Shepherd mix. She's 5, and we got her from a shelter. So I go to school for pharmacy, and I actually got accepted into pharmacy school for fall of 2020 at UT Memphis. And I'm accepted under contingency, I think that's what it's called, where I just have to take these prerequisites that I have left, and then I can start fall of 2020, which organic chemistry is one of them. And I just started the semester today, and I have taking 15 hours. I'm doing microbiology, statistics, anatomy, physiology, and then organic chemistry, which organic I have to say I'm the most nervous about because I think it's an online class and because I feel like I learn better with like one-on-one and hands-on. But so far so good because I do really like the setup that Domain has, and I really do like Blackboard. I like how organized it is. And I wanted to say how inspiring it is to see everybody else's videos because I graduated high school in 2018, which feels like just yesterday. And I started college as undecided major because I had no idea what I wanted to do with my life. And then I came in, I took classes like literature, history, cultural anthropology, psychology, and I hated every second of it. I was completely devastated because I thought college is not for me. Like, I do not like any of the stuff I'm learning, but then I decided to take chemistry and biology, which I completely fell in love with sciences. And I realized this is what I want to do. Whatever it is, I want it to be in the sciences, like healthcare field. And then I decided on pharmacy. I did a couple of job shadowing opportunities, but I want to say how inspiring it was to see everybody else's videos because I think something that I struggle with is thinking that I'm always running out of time. I don't know why. That's just in my head. I just try to go as fast as I possibly can. I'm trying to do pharmacy school in 6 years, but I see that you can change your career at any time in your life. You can decide to go back to school at any time in your life, and it really does feel good to realize that, and I think I just need to work on that. So I do wish the best for everybody, and I hope that the semester goes smoothly. Thank you guys so much.